Well, I made another trip around the sun. Well, it is a windy birthday the way it's going right now. Yes, we have high wind warnings, wind advisory with gusts up to like 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts to like 50 miles an hour in some areas, like between the canyons and passes. But it's only going to be in the 60s today, just like yesterday and Sunday. Well, Sunday it was 70, yesterday it was like 65. It's going to be like more the same today. The wind should be calm by tomorrow. And yes, so there's a lot of people who share my birthday, including Dad and David Letterman, Herbie Hancock, Ed O'Neill, the late Tiny Tim, the late Ralph Wiley, umpire Alfonso Marquez, former catcher Paul LaDuca, Antonio Osuna as well, and Brendan Bosch, and also Shannon Doherty from 90210. Also, yep. Also to Vince Gill and David Cassidy and the late Tom Clancy as well. And to my friends Charles and Casper, and to Vincent. And yes, the Dodgers are back in action tonight in Minnesota. And the Angels, of course, are in home hosting the Marlins. And of course, the Giants are hosting the Padres up in San Francisco, where it's going to be only in the 50s. And the Yankees host the Blue Jays. It's going to be in the lower 70s out there with rain. And yes, the wind is really kicking up here. And of course tonight it's a play-in tournament as well. The Brooklyn Nets are hosting the Cleveland Cavaliers in the 7-8 game. And also the Minnesota Timberwolves are hosting the Clippers for that Western Conference 7-8 game. The winner of tonight's game will be the 7th seed. The loser of tonight's game will host the game on Friday, which will be a single elimination game for the final seed. And yes, it's still Aries season, as you well know, and it's also Holy Week. We just had Palm Sunday, then we got Good Friday coming up, and then we got Easter next Sunday. But the weather looks pretty mild for the most part. The wind should be gone by tomorrow, and definitely gone by Thursday. But yes, it does get windy in April too, like the heat we had last week. And Saturday was really nice. Sunday felt calm. So was yesterday, but yeah, you got to be careful driving like through the Grapevine area and of course Cajon. That's where it's really going to be. That's where it's going to be bad. And yeah, we could have down power lines, trees, you know. That's what you get with windy conditions. And the surf's supposed to be up today too. And also the Diamondbacks host the Astros. Well, let's go Dodgers today. Let's go Halos. All right, today we're going for the Padres because they're playing the Giants. And today we got to root for Arizona because they're playing those Astros. But hopefully Houston will have a problem. Meanwhile, have a good rest of your Tuesday. I'll catch you all later. Amen.